Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, driver airbag, front wheel drive, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.